St. Louis City has been working hard behind the scenes to prepare for the club's inaugural season in 2023. A part of this preparation is creating an immersive fan experience activating all five senses. I sat down with St. Louis native Mvstermind, the new director of musical experience for the club. St. Louis Soccer Club, coming to the city here has been, one of the big chats, over, I'm sure, the last few years. I've only been here nearly a year. And in that little span, I've heard so much about the soccer club being here and the excitement around it. So can you please just explain, explain to us the hype, what are we getting?
Thanks for having us. We're really excited about what we're building. We kick off as a club in Major League Soccer next March of 23. And so we're really narrowing down in the home stretch here, finalizing our stadium in downtown West and really starting to carve out what that match day experience will be like. And it's one for us that we're really excited about. It's one that will be inclusive and immersive, and one that we believe really shows off all the amazing creators and makers and doers that exist across our region. So, our announcement this week of announcing Mvstermind as our director of musical experience, we're really hyped about, just because of the knowledge and passion he brings in the local music community and what that means for our, ultimate game day experience in stadium.
Mvstermind, I want to jump to you and, talk about your collaboration, all of this. We got the soccer side of things, the sports side of things, where we're going to be entertained, but music is always in there some way, somehow, as well as food, but music is in there some way, somehow. And so can you explain kind of your collaboration and all this and what that all means to you?
So as Mvstermind, being the director of the musical experience, this in itself is making sure that we put the heartbeat of St. Louis inside of Centene Stadium. And in itself, this is in regards to during match day and making sure that we are the loudest stadium, making sure that when people come here, they feel that energy point blank, period. And in the same sense, that same musical experience is also going to carry outside of match day as well. And so we're going to have the availability to be able to curate some state-of-the-art type of events and experiences so that people can really feel the pulse of our city and allow ourselves to be able to push that globally.
I know later this summer, there's going to be a workshop that you're hosting. And so can you talk about that in collaboration with the ball club?
This sonic workshop that we are creating, this workshop in itself is going to be like one of the first tastes that you get of the actual experience that's going to be happening at Centene Stadium. And this event was specifically curated to make sure that we get the voice of you. We get the voice of the people in there. So as this musical strategy is being curated and fine-tuned, I wanted to make sure that within my possession is the voice of the people.
We're really excited about what we're building. And, Mohammed mentioned how people can get involved. Certainly encourage you to check it out. It's stlcitysc.com/music. So if you're interested in joining a workshop or being a part of it, check that out.
So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and weekend.